নমস্কাৰ প্ৰিয় বন্ধু বান্ধৱীসকল, আপোনালোক সকলোকে প্ৰশ্নবোধ চেনেলটোলৈ স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজি আমি APSC দ্বাৰা অনুষ্ঠিত কৰা ইলেক্ট্ৰিকেল ইনস্পেক্টৰ ইন দ্য ইনস্পেক্টৰেট অফ ইলেক্ট্ৰিচিটি গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট অফ আছাম আণ্ডাৰ পাৱাৰ ইলেক্ট্ৰিচিটি ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্টৰ জেনেৰেল ষ্টাডিজ এণ্ড ইলেক্ট্ৰিকেল ইঞ্জিনিয়াৰিং পেপাৰ ছিৰিজ এ কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰখন ছল্ভ কৰিব ওলাইছোঁ। প্ৰথম প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল কনচিডাৰ দ্য ফলোয়িং ষ্টেটমেণ্টছ ৰিগাৰ্ডিং দ্য বিজ্ঞান ধাৰা স্কিম অফ দ্য গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট অফ ইণ্ডিয়া। পইণ্ট নম্বৰ 1, ইট এইমছ টু এনহেন্স দ্য S&T ইনফ্ৰাষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰ বাই ফষ্টাৰিং ৱেল ইকুইপড R&D laboratory in academic institutions. Number 2, it aims to promote research in key areas such as sustainable energy, water, and other critical sectors. Number 3, it aims to enhance the participation of women in the field of S&T with the goal of achieving gender parity in science, technology and innovation STI. And number 4, it aims to reinforce innovation at all levels from school education to industry and startups. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1 and 2 are correct. B. 2 and 3 are correct. C. 2, 3 and 4 are correct. D. All statements are correct. আৰু ইয়াৰ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ ডি। 2 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল কনচিডাৰ দ্য ফলোয়িং ষ্টেটমেণ্টছ ইন কানেকশ্যন উইথ ইণ্ডিয়াছ পাৰ্টিচিপেশ্যন এণ্ড এচিভমেণ্টছ ইন দ্য পেৰিছ Summer Olympics held in 2024. Number 1, the Indian contingent consisted of 117 athletes. Number 2, Indian athletes won a total of 12 medals, which included 2 silver and 10 bronze. Number 3, Manu Bhaker won the first medal for India. And number 4, one Indian athlete was disqualified for not fulfilling the weight restrictions of an event. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. B. 2, 3 and 4 are correct. C. 1, 3 and 4 are correct. D. All statements are correct. আৰু ইয়াৰ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ চি। 3 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল হুইচ ওৱান অফ দ্য ফলোয়িং ষ্টেটমেণ্টছ ইজ কাৰেক্ট ৰিগাৰ্ডিং RHUMI-1? A. It is the first reusable hybrid rocket launched by India. Number B. It is India's first fast breeder nuclear reactor. Number C. It is the name of India's first indigenously built submarine. Number D. It is a lightweight tank designed and fabricated by DRDO for the Indian Army. আৰু ইয়াৰ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ এ। 4 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল কনচিডাৰ দ্য ফলোয়িং ষ্টেটমেণ্টছ ৰিগাৰ্ডিং দ্য মিছন বসুন্ধৰা লঞ্চ বাই দ্য গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট অফ আছাম। Number 1, it is a flagship program launched by the Revenue and Disaster Management Department. Number 2, it aims to ensure employment generation in the state. Number 3, it aims to make land revenue services more accessible to citizens. Number 4, it is a program designed to ensure sustainable development for the tea gardeners. Select the correct answer from the quotes given below. A. 1 and 2 are correct. B. 1 and 3 are correct. C. 2 and 4 are correct. D. 1 and 4 are correct. উত্তৰটো হৈছে B. 5 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল Consider the following statements regarding the action plan for introduction of CETA in India. Number 1. The first batch of 8 CETAs was received from Namibia. Number 2. The second batch of 20 CETAs will be procured from South Sudan. Number 3. The first batch of CETAs received were released in Kuno National Park. Number 4. The second batch will be released in Manas National Park. Select the correct statements from the quotes given below. A. 1, 3 and 4. B. 2 and 3. C. 1 and 3. Or D. 2 and 4. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ C. 6 number questionটো হ'ল Which of the following statements are not correct with regard to National Register of Citizens Assam? Number 1. The present NRC has its root in the Assam Accord signed in the year 1985. Number 2. The NRC is a list of all the legal citizens of Assam. Number 3. NRC updatation basically means the process of enlisting the names of citizens based on electoral rolls up to 1971 and 1951 NRC. Number 4. The NRC is governed by the National Register of Citizens Act 1985. Select the statements which are not correct. A. 1 only. B. 3 and 4. C. 1 and 3. D. 4 only. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে D. 7 number questionটো হ'ল Match the pairs given below and choose the correct match from the quotes given below. Names, sportsmen or sports associated with. Names সমূহ হ'ল A. Jamuna Boro. B. Noyanmani Soikia. C. Jintimoni Kolita. Or D. Omlan Borgohai. Our associated sports সমূহ হ'ল 1. Cricket. 2. Boxing. 3. Athletics. 4. Lawn ball. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ C. সেই হিচাপত স্পৰ্টছমেনৰ লগত তেওঁলোকৰ এছ'চিয়েটেড স্পৰ্টছসমূহ হ'ল A. যমুনা বড়ো আনচাৰটো হ'ব বক্সিং B. নয়নমণি শইকীয়া আনচাৰটো হ'ব লন বল C. জিন্তিমণি কলিতা আনচাৰটো হ'ব ক্ৰিকেট আৰু D. অম্লান বৰগোহাঁই আৰু আনচাৰটো হ'ব এথলেটিক্স 8 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল Consider the following statements regarding the National Sports Day of India. 1. It is celebrated on 29 September every year. Number 2. It is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of Major Dhyan Chand? Number 3. It is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of Milkha Singh. Number 4. It is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of Ranjit Singhji Bhivaji Jadeja. Select the correct statements from the codes given below. A. 1 and 2. B. 1 and 3. C. 1 and 4. D. Only 2. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ ডি। 9 number question হ'ল list 1 gives the names of persons associated with music and list 2 gives the names of musical instruments. Match list 1 and list 2 with the and select the correct match from the codes given below. List 1 থকা পাৰ্চনেলিটিজ সমূহ হ'ল এ তন্ময় বোস, বি ইন্দিৰা পি বৰা, চি প্ৰভাত শৰ্মা আৰু ডি পাৰভিন চুলতানা। আৰু লিষ্ট 2ত তেওঁলোকৰ মিউজিকেল ইনষ্ট্ৰুমেণ্টসমূহ হ'ল 1 ক্লাছিকেল ভায়লিনিষ্ট, 2 ফ্লুইটিষ্ট, 3 তবলা আৰু 4 ক্লাছিকেল ডেন্স। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে এ। সেই হিচাপত পাৰ্চনেলিটিজ এলং উইথ দিয়াৰ ইনষ্ট্ৰুমেণ্টসমূহ হ'ল তন্ময় বোস তবলা, ইন্দিৰা পি বৰা ক্লাছিকেল ডেন্স, প্ৰভাত শৰ্মা ফ্লুৰিটিষ্ট আৰু পাৰভিন চুলতানা ক্লাছিকেল ভোকেলিষ্ট। 10 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল which of the following awards were conferred on Dr. Bhupen Hazarika? Number 1 Dada Saheb Phalke Award, number 2 Bharat Ratna, number 3 Padma Bhushan, number 4 Padma Vibhushan. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. B. 1, 2 and 4 are correct. C. 2, 3 and 4 are correct. D. All are correct. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ ডি। 11 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল arrange the following events of Indian national movements in the correct sequence of their happening from the codes given below. Number 1 formation of Muslim League, number 2 Cripps Mission, number 3 Rowlatt Act, number 4 partition of Bengal. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে বি। সেই হিচাপত ছিকুৱেঞ্চটো হ'ল প্ৰথমতে পাৰ্টিশ্যন অফ বেংগল, তাৰপিছত ফৰ্মেশ্যন অফ মুছলিম লীগ, তাৰপিছত ৰলেট এক্ট আৰু তাৰপিছত ক্ৰিপছ মিছন। 12 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল কনচিডাৰ দ্য ফলোয়িং ষ্টেটমেণ্টছ and select the correct answer from the codes given below. Number 1 the Brahmo Samaj was founded by Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Number 2 the Arya Samaj was founded by Dr. Atmaram Pandurang. Number 3 Patana Samaj was founded by Dayananda Saraswati. And number 4 Ramakrishna Mission was founded by Swami Vivekananda. Code সমূহ হ'ল A. Only 1 is correct. B. 1 and 4 are correct. C. 2 and 3 are correct. Or D. All statements are correct. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে B. 13 number question to all. Consider the following statements regarding the drain of wealth theory. Number 1 this theory was put forward by Dadabhai Naroji. Number 2 Lala Lajpat Rai submitted this theory to the Simon Commission as an explanation of India's poverty. Number 3 Mahatma Gandhi launched the Swadeshi movement to establish the truth of this theory. Or number 4 The theory highlighted how British economic policies exploited India. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1, 2 and 4 are correct. B. 2 and 3 are correct. C. 1 and 4 are correct. D. 3 and 4 are correct. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ C. 14 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে which of the following statements is are correct? Number 1. Charak Samhita deals mainly with surgery. Number 2. One of the oldest palm leaf manuscript of Sushruta Samhita is preserved at the Kaisar Library of Nepal. Number 3. The three doshas falls central to Ayurveda are Vata, Wind, Pitta, Bile, and Kalpa, Philgam. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. Only one is correct. B. 1 and 2 are correct. C. 2 and 3 are correct. D. All statements are correct. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল নম্বৰ C. 15 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল Assamese language has been declared as a Drupadi language. Consequent to the declaration, the Union government is required to number 1. Offer financial grant to universities in other countries to open study centers to popularize the language. Number 2. Institute professional share in all central universities. Number 3. Institute 2 international awards in the language. Number 4. Take necessary steps to provide safeguard to the language. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. B. 2, 3 and 4 are correct. C. 1, 3 and 4 are correct. D. All the above are correct. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ B. 16 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল List 1 gives the names of some temples, monasteries in India, and List 2 gives the names of places where these are situated. Match List 1 and List 2 and select the correct match from the codes given below. List 1 থকা টেম্পল মনেষ্ট্ৰীসমূহ হ'ল A. Lingaraj Temple, B. Rumtek Dharma Chakra, C. Lakshmi Narayan Temple, D. Padmanabh Swami Temple. আৰু List 2 প্লেচেছসমূহ হ'ল Number 1 New Delhi, Number 2 Bhubaneswar, Number 3 Trivandrum, আৰু Number 4 Gangtok. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে Number D. সেই হিচাপত টেম্পলছ আৰু মনেষ্ট্ৰী লগত তেওঁলোকৰ প্লেচেছসমূহ হ'ল A. Lingaraj Temple, Bhubaneswar, B. Rumtek Dharma Chakra, Gangtok, C. Lakshmi Narayan Temple, New Delhi, আৰু D. Padmanabh Swami Temple, Trivandrum. 17 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে Consider the following pairs. Famous places, banks of the river were situated. A. Ayodhya, Ganga. B. Ahmedabad, Sabarmati. C. Sambalpur, Mahanadi. D. Siliguri, Tista. Which of the pairs given above are incorrectly matched? A. Only A. B. A and C. C. Only C. D. B and C. और ইয়াৰ উত্তৰটো হ'ল A. 18 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল Consider the following statements regarding Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Number 1. A city in these islands is named as Sri Vijayapuram. Number 2. One of the islands has a national park called Mount Manipur. Number 3. One of the Aboriginal tribes who lives there are known as the Uyghurs. Number 4. These islands have the only active volcanoes in the Indian subcontinent. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. B. 3 and 4 are correct. C. Only 1 and 2 are correct. D. 1, 2 and 4 are correct. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে D. 19 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল As per judgment of Supreme Court of India, which of the following constitutes the basic structure of the Indian Constitution? Number 1. Federalism. Number 2. Social justice. Number 3. Fundamental duties. And number 4. Freedom and dignity of the individual. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1 and 3 are correct. B. 2, 3 and 4 are correct. C. 1, 2 and 4 are correct. D. Only 2 and 4 are correct. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে C. 20 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল Consider the following statements and select the statements which are not correct. Number 1. E-Prastuti is a project by the National Information Center, Assam, to standardize and digitalize government websites and public administration system. Number 2. E-Prastuti ensures uniformity in all Assam government websites. Number 3. E-Prastuti ensures consistent, accurate and updated content in the government websites. And number 4. E-Prastuti ensures upgradation of website development skills of government employees through training and workshop. Codeসমূহ হ'ল A. Only 1. B. Only 1 and 2. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. 2, 3 and 4. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে A. 21 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে Which of the following statements with regard to the Constitution of India are correct? 1. The fourth schedule of the Constitution deals with allocation of seats in the Council of States. Number 2. The sixth schedule deals with provisions relating to the administration of tribal areas in some states. Number 3. The seventh schedule deals with special status for the states of Nagaland and Jammu and Kashmir. Number 4. The 10th schedule deals with and elaborates fundamental duties of citizens. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 2 and 4 are correct. B. 3 and 4 are correct. C. 1 and 2 are correct. D. 2 and 3 are correct. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল C. 22 number question to hold. Consider the following statements regarding the reset program of the government of India. Number 1. It aims to empower the rural youth. Number 2. It aims to empower the retired government employees. Number 3. It aims to rehabilitate drugs addicted persons. Number 4. It aims to empower retired sports persons. Select the correct statement from the codes given below. A. 1 and 3. B. 2 and 4. C. Only 3. D. Only 4. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল D. 23 number question to হৈছে in the midterm examination Robin and Rubul scored more than Horen. Pawan scored more than Rubul in the same examination. Based on the above information, one concludes that among Robin, Rubul, Horen and Pawan, Horen's score is the lowest. Identify the nature of the conclusion. Number A. The conclusion is true. Number B. The conclusion is false. Number C. The conclusion is uncertain. Or number D. Data are not sufficient to arrive at a conclusion. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল number A. 24 number question to হৈছে consider the following statements. Number 1. While going out for morning walk, Mr. Bhuya took the umbrella with him after checking the weather report. Number 2. Anticipating a traffic congestion on account of scheduled protest rally of the local trade union, Mr. Gupta decided to leave the office early. Number 3. Mr. Bora bought a particular brand of smartphone after referring to several favorable reviews posted by satisfied customers. Number 4. Mr. Das usually buys lottery tickets on Sunday because one of his close friends had told him that Sunday is his lucky day. Identify the speculative activity from those narrated above from the codes given below. A1, B2, C3, D4. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে D. 25 number question to হৈছে identify the missing letter from the codes given below. Codes A, B, B, C, C আৰু D, D. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে B. 26 number question to হৈছে identify the most appropriate substance that can be added to the given list from the codes given below. Carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, CFC12 dash. Codes সমূহ হ'ল A. Acetic acid, B. Xenon dioxide, C. Formaldehyde, D. HFC23. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল D. 27 number question to is the combined age of four peoples. 27 number question to is the combined age of four persons is 80 years at present. What was the combined age of the same four person 3 years ago? A. 77 years, B. 74 years, C. 71 years, or D. 68 years. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল D. 28 number question হৈছে Naren can type 100 pages in 10 hours. Rani can do the same work in 15 hours. Both Naren and Rani worked together for 5 hours. The remaining job was done by Rakhi in 2 hours. If Naren and Rani got 2400 for the whole work, how much this did Rakhi get for the work done by her? A. Rupees 300, B. Rupees 400, C. Rupees 500, or D. Rupees 600. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে B. $29 number question to হৈছে There are 20 people working in an office. The first group of 5 people works between 8 a.m. and 2 p.m. The second group of 10 people works between 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. The third group of 5 people works between 12 noon to 6 p.m. There are 3 computers in the office which all employees frequently use. During which of the following hours the computers are likely to be used most? A. 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. B. 12 noon to 2 p.m. C. 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. or D. Cannot be ascertained. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে B. 30 number question to hold. Read the following statements and conclusions carefully. Select the set of conclusions which logically follows from the given statements. Choose the correct option from the codes given below. Statements bilak hol 1. Some cubes are squares. 2. All squares are circles. Conclusion সমূহ হ'ল A. All cubes are circles. B. Some circles are cubes. C. Some circles are squares. D. All squares are cubes. Code সমূহ হ'ল A. Only conclusion A follows. B. Conclusions A, B, and C follows. C. Only conclusions B and C follow. Or D. Conclusions C and D follow. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল C. 31 number question to হৈছে If a battery has a nominal voltage of 1.25 volt to 1.5 volt, what is the type of cell used? A. Lithium ion. B. Lead acid. C. Nickel cadmium. D. Zinc silver oxide. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে C. 32 number question to হৈছে Dash is one of the most important materials that is also known as solar grade silicon. Number A. Crushed silicon. Number B. Crystalline silicon. Number C. Powdered silicon. Or number D. Silicon. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে B. 33 number question to হৈছে Norton equivalent between A and B for the circuit shown in figure 1 is A. 2 ampere and 2.5 ohm, B. 0.5 ampere and 1 ohm, C. 1 ampere and 2 ohm, D. 0.4 ampere and 2 ohm. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে D. 34 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে the voltage of the node A with respect to O for the circuit shown in figure 2 is A. 20 volt, B. 40 volt, C. 50 volt আৰু D. 60 volt. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে A. 35 number question to is the current waveform as shown in figure 3 is applied in a pure resistor of 10 ohms. The power dissipated in the resistor is A. 270 watt, B. 135 watt, number C. 52 watt, or D. 7 watt. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে A. 36 number question to হ'ল a charge of 1 coulomb is placed near a grounded conducting plate at a distance of 1 meter. What is the force between them? A. 1/4 pi epsilon naught Newton. Number B. 1/8 pi epsilon naught Newton. C. 1/16 pi epsilon naught Newton. Or D. 16 pi epsilon naught Newton. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে C. 37 number question to হৈছে in a given circuit in figure 4 the value of R will give critical damping is A. 2 ohm, B. 1 ohm, C. 4 ohm, D. 10 ohm. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে B. 38 number question to হৈছে an alternator is delivering power to a balanced load at unity power factor. The phase angle between the line voltage and the line current is A. 90 degree, B. 60 degree, C. 0 degree, D. 30 degree. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল D. 39 number question to হ'ল if the readings of 2 wattmeters are equal and positive in 2 wattmeter method, the load power factor in a balanced 3-phase 3-wire circuit will be A. 0, B. 0.5, C. 0.866 or D. unity. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল D. 40 number question to হ'ল a current of 0.5 plus 0.3 sin omega t minus 0.2 sin 2 omega t is passed through a moving coil and is moving and a moving iron ammeter which are in series. Reading of the moving coil and moving iron ammeter will be respectively A. 0.5 ampere and 0.561 ampere, B. 0.6 ampere and 0.561 ampere, C. 0.561 ampere and 0.5 ampere, or D. 0.1 ampere and 0.5 ampere. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে A. 41 number question to hold. The experimental setup in figure 5 below measures the value of unknown resistance in two steps. Number 1, when voltage equal to 24 volt, resistance is set at 400 ohms and S equal to 80 ohms. The galvanometer shows a deflection of 30 degree. When switch is thrown to position 2, the supply voltage drops down to 12 volt and the galvanometer will still show a deflection of 30 degree. The value of unknown resistance is A 80 ohm, B 60 ohm, C 40 ohm or D 20 ohm. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে C. 42 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে two emitters, one with full scale current of 1 milliampere and internal resistance of 100 ohm and other full scale current of 10 milliampere and internal resistance of 25 ohm are in parallel. What is the total current these two meters can carry without any meter out of the scale? A 1 milliampere, B 10 milliampere, C 11 milliampere or D 5 milliampere. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে D. 43 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে the full scale deflection current of a meter is 1 milliampere and its internal resistance is 100 ohm. This meter is to have full deflection when 100 volt is measured. What is the value of series resistor to be used? A 100 kilo ohm, B 99.90 kilo ohm, C 99.99 ohm or D 100 ohm. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে B. 44 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে a 200 volt by 100 volt 50 hertz transformer is to be excited at 40 hertz from 100 volt side. For the exciting current to be same, the applied voltage should be A 150 volt, B 80 volt, C 100 volt, D 125 volt. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে B. 45 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে in case of three-phase induction motor, shaft power is 2700 watt and mechanical losses are 180 watt at a slip of 4%. The rotor ohmic losses are A 115.2 watt, B 120 watt, C 108 watt or D 105 watt. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে B. 46 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল a 6-pole lap on DC motor machine has an armature resistance of 0.06 ohm. If the machine is rewounded for wave winding, then its armature resistance is A 0.06 ohm, B 10.36 ohm, C 0.54 ohm, D 1.08 ohm. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে C. 47 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে a DC series motor is driving a constant torque load at 500 rpm. The field turns a The field turns are divided into two groups connected in series. If the field turns are connected in parallel, then speed will be A 500 rpm, B 500 by root 2 rpm, C 500 into root 2 rpm, or D 1000 rpm. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধটো হৈছে C. 48 number question হৈছে if two 500 volt full scale voltmeters V1 and V2 having resistances 200 kilo ohm per volt and 250 kilo ohm per volt respectively are connected in series to measure 900 volt, then A V1 and V2 reach 400 volt is, B V1 reach 400 volt and V2 reach 500 volt, C V1 reach 500 volt, V2 reach 400 volt, or D V1 and V2 reach 0 volt. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ B. 49 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে a sinusoidal waveform when observed on an oscilloscope has a peak-to-peak amplitude of 14 centimeter. If the vertical sensitivity setting is 5 watt, if the vertical sensitivity setting is 5 volt per centimeter, then RMS value of the voltage will be A 24.8 volt, B 49.6 volt, C 9.9 volt, or D 3.54 volt. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে A. 50 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল for a system x equal to 2305x plus 10u, which of the following statements is true? A. The system is controllable but unstable. B. The system is uncontrollable and unstable. C. The system is controllable and stable. Number D. The system is uncontrollable and stable. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে B. 51 number questionটো হ'ল the transfer function of the system described by d square y by dt square plus dy by dt equal to du by dt plus 2u with u as input and y as output is A s plus 2 divided by s square plus s, B s plus 1 divided by s square plus s, C 2 divided by s square plus s, or D twice s divided by s square plus s. আৰু শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল A. 52 number question to hold the eigenvalue of the system represented by is A 0000, B 1111, C 000 minus 1, D 1000. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল D. 53 number question to হৈছে a control system is defined by the following mathematical relationship: d square x by dt square plus 6 dx by dt plus 5x equal to 12 bracket start 1 by e to the power minus 2t. The response of the system at t tends to infinity is A x equal to 6, B x equal to 2, C x equal to 2.4, or D x equal to minus 2. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে C. 54 number question to hold. The roots of the closed loop characteristics equation of the system shown in figure 6 are A minus 1 and minus 5, B 6 and 10, C minus 4 and minus 15, D minus 6 and minus 10. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে D. 55 number question to হৈছে the loop gain GH of a closed loop system is given by the following expression: K divided by S into S plus 2 into S plus 4. The value of K for which the system just becomes unstable is A K equal to 6, B K equal to 8, C K equal to 48, or D K equal to 96. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল C. 56 number question to hold. The impulse response of an LTI system is HT equal e to the power minus 5t u of t if the output of the system is yt equal to e to the power minus 3t ut minus e to the power minus 5t ut, then the input xt is given by A e to the power minus 3t ut, B 2 into e to the power minus 3t ut, C e to the power minus 5t ut, D 2 into e to the power minus 5t ut. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে B. 57 number question to hold. A transfer function of a system is given by 100 divided by s square plus 20s plus 100. The system is number A an overdamped system, B an underdamped system, C a critical damped system, or D an unstable system. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে C. 58 number question to hold. A transmission line having a surge impedance of 400 ohm is connected with a cable which has surge impedance of 40 ohm. A surge magnitude of 100 kilovolt is traveling from the transmission line towards the cable. The transmitted voltage will be A 100 kilovolt, B 30.6 kilovolt, C 18.18 kilovolt, or D 36.36 kilovolt. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে C. 59 number question to hold. The total iron loss in a transformer core at normal flux density was measured at 25 Hz and at 50 Hz and was found to be 250 watt and 800 watt respectively. The hysteresis loss at 50 Hz would be A 100 watt, B 150 watt, C 200 watt, D 600 watt. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে C. 60 number question to hold. At 2 winding 220 volt by 110 volt 1.5 kilovolt ampere transformer is reconnected as a 220 volt by 330 volt auto transformer. It is re-rated as number A 3.88 kilovolt ampere, B 4.488 kilovolt ampere, C 1.58 kilovolt ampere, D 2.258 kilovolt ampere। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে বি। 61 number question to hold. The power is transmitted through a transmission line of impedance R plus Jx at equal voltage at both ends. The maximum power can be transferred under the steady state condition if A. X equal to R, B. X equal to root over 2R, C. X equal to root over 3R, আৰু x equal d x equal to 2r। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে C। 62 number question to hold. To test the insulator against HV surges caused by lightning, the test normally adopted is A 50 C/S dry flash over test, B impulse flash over test, C 50 C/S flash over test, D 50 C/S with flash over test। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল B। 63 number question to hold. The divergence of the vector field is A 22 cos z square, B sin xy plus 2z cos z square, C x sin xy minus cos z, আৰু D sin xy। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল A। 64 number question to hold. A solid sphere made of insulating material has a radius r and has a total charge q distributed uniformly in its volume. What is the magnitude of electric field intensity E at a distance r bracket start 0 less than r less than capital R bracket close inside the sphere? A 1/4 pi epsilon naught q small r divided by capital R cube, B 3/4 pi epsilon naught q small r divided by capital R cube, C 1/4 pi epsilon naught q divided by small r square, D 1/4 pi epsilon naught q capital R divided by small r cube। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল A। 65 number question to hold. A 1.5 half voltage rectifier is used to supply to a load of impedance 8 ohm from 220 volt 50 Hz AC supply at a firing angle of 60 degree. The effective value of voltage is A 160 volt, B 172 volt, C 140 volt, or D 120 volt। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে C। 66 number question to hold. Which of the following specifications is not correct for a common collector amplifier? A high input impedance, B low output impedance, C high voltage gain, D high current gain। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে C। 67 number question to hold. In a transistor circuit shown in figure 7 below, the collector to ground voltage is plus 20 volt. The possible condition is A. Collector emitter terminal shorted. B. Emitter to ground connection open. C. 10 kilo ohm resistor open. Or D. Collector based terminal shorted. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল বি। 68 number questionটো হ'ল the circuit shown in figure 8 below is a low pass filter, B high pass filter, C band pass filter, D band reject filter। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে A। 69 number questionটো হ'ল the IV characteristics of a diode in the circuit shown in figure 9 below is the current in the circuit is A 10 milliampere, B 9.3 milliampere, C 6.67 milliampere or D 6.2 milliampere। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল D। 70 number questionটো হ'ল a converter which can operate both in 3 pulse and 6 pulse mode is a 1 phase full converter, B 3 phase half wave converter, C 3 phase semi converter or D 3 phase full converter। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে C। 71 number questionটো হ'ল a 4 quadrant chopper cannot be operated as A 1 quadrant chopper, B cycloconverter, C inverter or D bidirectional rectifier। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে B। 72 number questionটো হ'ল for a low speed high power reversible operation the most suitable drives are A voltage source inverter fed AC drive, B current source inverter fed AC drive, C dual converter fed DC drives, D cycloconverter fed AC drives। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল D। 73 number questionটো হ'ল the total gain of a multi-stage amplifier is less than the product of the gains of individual stages due to A power loss in the coupling device, B loading effect of the next stage, C the use of many transistors or D the use of many capacitors। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে B। 74 number questionটো হ'ল consider an angle modulated signal x of t equal to 6 cos bracket start 2 pi into 10 to the power 6t plus 2 sin whole 8000 pi t bracket close plus 4 cos bracket start 8000 pi t bracket close voltage. The average power of x of t is A 10 watt, B 18 watt, C 20 watt or D 28 watt। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে B। 75 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল এ মেছেজ সিগনেল MT equal to cos 2000 pi t plus 4 cos 4000 pi t modulates the carrier C of t equal to cos 2 pi fct, where fc equal to 1 megahertz to produce a AM signal. For demodulating the generated AM signal using an envelope detector, the time constant RC of the detector circuit should satisfy a 0.5 millisecond less than RC less than 1 millisecond, B 1 microsecond less than RC less than 0.5 millisecond, C RC less than 1 microsecond, or D RC greater than 0.5 millisecond. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে বি। 76 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল ইন এ commercial broadcasting system the FM signal has a center frequency 105 megahertz and the highest frequency of 105.3 megahertz. When modulated by a signal 5 kilohertz, the modulation index will be A 6, B 1 by 6, C 2 or D 5. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল A. 77 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল ইন PAM the carrier wave consists of a periodic train of rectangular pulses and the carrier frequency is equal to A. the bandwidth of the modulating signal, B. the sampling rate of the modulating signal, C. at least 3 times greater than the bandwidth of the modulating signal, or D. twice the bandwidth of the modulating signal. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে C. 78 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল 1 megahertz sinusoidal signal carrier is amplitude modulated by a symmetrical square wave of period 100 microsecond. Which of the following frequencies will not be present in the modulated signal? A. 990 kilohertz, B. 1020 kilohertz, C. 1010 kilohertz, or D. 1030 kilohertz. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল B. 79 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল a 4 gigahertz carrier of D3B-3C modulated by a low pass message signal with maximum frequency of 2 megahertz. The resultant signal is to be ideally sampled. The maximum frequency of the sampling impulse train should be A. 4 megahertz, B. 8 gigahertz, C. 8 megahertz, or D. 8.004 gigahertz. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল C. 80 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল the frequency modulated radio frequency range is nearly A. 2500 to 3000 megahertz, B. 150 to 200 megahertz, C. 90 to 105 megahertz, or D. 30 to 70 megahertz. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল C. 81 number question to hold. The output of a logic gate is 1 when all its input are at logic 0. The gate is either a NAND gate or an XOR gate, B, a NOR gate or an XOR gate, C, an AND gate or an XOR gate, or D, a NOR or an XOR gate. উত্তৰটো হ'ল D. 82 number question to hold. The output Y of the logic gate circuit shown in figure 10 is A1, B0, C X or D X this. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল A. 83 number question to hold. The demodulation of a delta modulated signal is achieved by A. Differentiation, B. Sampling, C. Integration, or D. Band pass filtering. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল C. 84 number question to hold. In a 400 kilovolt network, 360 kilovolt is recorded at a 400 kilovolt bus. The reactive power absorbed by the shunt reactor rated for 50 MVAR 400 kilovolt connected at the bus is A to hold 61.73 MVAR, B 55.56 MVAR, C 45 MVAR, or D 40.5 MVAR. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল D. 85 number question to hold. A lightning arrestor connected between the line and the earth in a power system. A. Protects the terminal equipment against traveling charges. B. Protects the transmission line against direct lightning stroke. C. Suppresses high frequency oscillation in the line, or D. Reflects back the traveling wave approaching it. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল A. 86 number question to hold. Wave winding is employed in a DC machine of A. High current and low voltage rating, B. Low current and high voltage rating, C. High current and high voltage rating, D. Low current and low voltage rating. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল B. 87 number question to hold. A 4-pole generator with 16 coils has a 2-layer lap winding. The pole pitch is A32, B16, C8, or D4. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল C. 88 number question to hold. When the shunt field of a DC compound generator is connected across both it in series field and armature, such a connection is known as A. Short shunt, B. Long shunt, C. Cumulative compounding, D. Differential compounding. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল B. 89 number question to hold. The current drawn by a 220 volt DC motor of armature resistance 0.5 ohm and back EMF 200 volt is A. 40 ampere, B 44 ampere, C 400 ampere, D 440 ampere। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল A। 90 number questionটো হ'ল a DC motor develops the maximum mechanical power when the armature is such that a back EMF is equal to 3/4 the applied EMF, B back EMF is equal to 1/2 the applied EMF, C back EMF is equal to 1/4 the applied EMF, or D back EMF is equal to 2/3 the applied EMF। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল B। 91 number questionটো হ'ল if the dimensions of all parts of the synchronous generator and the number of field and the armature turns are double, then the generated voltage will change by a factor of A 1, B 2, C 4, D 8। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল C। 92 number questionটো হ'ল the magnetic field required to reduce the residual magnetization to zero is called A retentivity, B coercivity, C hysteresis, or D saturation magnetization। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল B। 93 number questionটো হ'ল load frequency control is achieved by properly matching the individual machines, A reactive power, B generated voltage, C turbine inputs, D turbine and generator rating। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল C। 94 number questionটো হ'ল bundled conductors are mainly used for high voltage overhead transmission lines to A reduce transmission line losses, B increase mechanical strength of the line, C reduce corona, or D reduce sag। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল C। 95 number questionটো হ'ল series capacitive compensation in EHV transmission line is used to A reduce the line loading, B improve the stability of the system, C reduce the voltage profile, or D improve the protection of the line। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল B। 96 number questionটো হ'ল in a sharing bridge balance the following values are obtained: C2 equal to 100 microfarad, R3 equal to 100 ohm, R4 equal to 300 ohm, C4 equal to 0.5 microfarad, আৰু F frequency equal to 50 Hz. The unknown capacitance C1 and its loss angle delta R respectively, A 300 microfarad and 0.27 degree, B 300 picofarad and 2.7 degree, C 300 microfarad 2.7 degree, or D 100 microfarad 2.5 degree। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল C। 97 number questionটো হ'ল the line constants of a 200 kilometer 50 Hz transmission line are given as follows. The sending end voltage is 230 kilovolt. The value of the line charging current when the load is disconnected will be A. 0 ampere, B. 132.8 kilo ampere, C. 100.5 kilo ampere, or D. 141.5 ampere. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল D. 98 number question to hold. Torque divided by weight ratio of an instrument indicates A. Selectivity, B. Accuracy, C. Fidelity, or D. Sensitivity. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল D. 99 number question to hold. Compared to continuous time system, the discrete system is A. More accurate and more stable, B. More accurate but less stable, C. Less accurate and less stable, or D. Less accurate but more stable. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল A. 100 number question to hold. The steady state performance of a control system yields a non-zero finite value of the velocity error constant. The type of the system is A. Type 0, B. Type 1, C. Type 2, or D. Type 3. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল B. ভিডিঅ'টো ভাল লাগিল যদি লাইক কৰিব আৰু চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি ল'ব এনেধৰণৰ কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰ্ছৰ সলিউশ্যনছৰ কাৰণে। লগতে আপোনাৰ বন্ধুবৰ্গকো ভিডিঅ'টো শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব যাতে তেওঁলোকো লাভৱান হয়। আমাৰ প্ৰশ্নকোষ ৱেবছাইটতো আপুনি ভিজিট কৰি এক্সাম ৰিলেটেড বিভিন্ন ডকুমেণ্টছ সংগ্ৰহ কৰিব পাৰিব। ধন্যবাদ।